Yeah, attack that cube. Yeah! Show it who's boss, yeah. Yeah, show it who's boss. You can't solve it. Come on. Now you gotta put it back together. You understand? Yeah, right there, see? See, you broke it. You gotta put it back together. Yeah. Yeah, show it who's boss. There you go. Maybe it'll get solved, huh? Yeah, come on. Pick it up. You can do it, yeah. Yeah! That's how you do it. Come on, come on. Yeah, there you go. See how durable it is. Yeah. Okay, throw it against the wall. Come on. Oh, come on, come on. Go. Ayah! Oh, there it goes. Oh, let me put it back together. There we go. See? No, it goes on the green side. Come here. See, right there. Can you put it in the center? There you go. I'll teach you how to break, and then I'll teach you how to fix. Yeah, there you go. See? There we go. Come on. Say thank you. Here we go. Another round of throwing. There you go. Come on. There you go. Throw it to Mom. Oh, there it went again. Yeah. Other side. There you go. Okay, now solve it. Come on, solve it. Solve it. Oh. See? You're getting very close to the cross. Come on. You're getting so close. You got one line there. That's it. Oh, I thought you were going to get the cross tonight. Oh, well.